This is Pastor ERRALDO with another reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Today, we'll be reading from John 4:19 to 24. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also look out for a reading every morning, 5 o'clock Jamaican time. Come make we go read together. Sir, she said to Jesus, "We can't say you are one prophet. We father them worship God upon the mountain, yeah? But uno Jew people talk about our Jerusalem people for worship God." So Jesus said to her, "Lady, trust me upon that one, yeah. The time I go come when people now go worship the Father upon the mountain, yeah, or in a Jerusalem. Uno Samaritan people worship what uno don't know about. We worship what we know about. Cause are the Jew people them God are gonna use to save the people in the world. But the day and time they come. And it's there now. When people them will really worship the Father, go and worship Him how the Spirit want them to worship Him. And from way down in them heart. Because of them the sort of people the Father I look for to worship Him. Because you see, God a spirit. And them will worship Him, must worship Him how the Spirit want them to worship. And them must do it from way down in them heart. A God word this. Thank God. Remember, God chat Jamaican.